Welcome to Digital Entrepreneurs Hub 64th Mastermind session. And today's session is basically on niche clarity and some editing of articles will also be done. So we've got Mr. Naveen Srivastava, Mr. Gopal Anand. Hi Naveen, how are you?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi Mr. Gopal Anand. Welcome Nikhil Arnaba. Ms. Poonam Malik, Priyanka Bachera, Praveen Srivastava. Yeah, very nice to see you guys over here. And today's session basically will be on providing niche clarity to Nikhil, and we'll be editing some article also. We will find some time. Mohana has also joined. Okay. So Nikhil, what all things you have studied and what research you have done for your niche?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
everyone. So actually, sir, the questions you asked yesterday, I sat and decided to research on that. So actually, I've noted down a few points, sir, but I don't know whether they will be they will make sense or whether they will be relevant or not. But I've noted down some points, sir, regarding that.
Okay, you will give me those points. I am opening MS Word document,
Sure,
and you
sure,
will give
sir.
me those points, and we will elaborate and discuss based on that. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure,
I'm
sir.
just sharing my screen and opening a document over here. Risha has also joined now. Yeah, Nikhil, please give me the points.
Yes, sir. So the first point is that in my earlier days, childhood days, I noticed that I love sharing my life experience with new people, and I
Just a
love
minute.
getting
Sharing life experience with new
with new
people.
people and
Okay.
getting to know them. I mean, getting to know their life experience also.
Getting to know
Their life experience, because I think
their
every
life
person
experience.
has, yes,
Okay.
sir, because every person has their unique life experience. So I like to know about their life experience and share my own experience with them. So this is the first point, and I think the second would be that. Mm, so second is similar to this one. I love connecting with new people and help them overcome nervousness and doubt mindset,
Love connecting with new people.
and help them overcome nervousness or doubt mindset.
Help them overcome nervousness and doubt mindset. Okay.
I don't know. We can replace with doubt mindset with some other term. I think maybe not sure about that.
With doubts regarding
Clinic
life
or
or career.
practical.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any third point?
And so the third point is not related to this.
Hmm.
It is that it is something that I always wanted to do. So the third point is that I love I wanted to do case study of many big companies and entrepreneurs.
Hmm.
So it's about that. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Basically to interview to interview a businessman and emerging companies like that. I don't know if it makes
You
sense.
love interviewing
Yes, sir.
business
Successful business
or
people or something like.
entrepreneurs, and you want to create their case studies.
Exactly, sir.
Okay. To share with the online
The,
audience.
yes, sir.
Okay. So there are 3 points which Mr. Nikhil Sharma is basically interested in, and these points he has revealed not before, but after yesterday's session, in which I asked him several questions about what he wants to actually do in life. Okay. Sharing life experience with new people, getting to know about their life experience also. Sharing your life experience with new people, getting to know about their life experience also.
So we can just simply write exchanging life experience.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Love connecting with new people and helping them overcome nervousness and doubts regarding life or career. Nikhil loves interviewing entrepreneurs and he wants to create the case studies to share with the online audience. Okay. So now, based on this, your profile is basically going into some coach.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us start searching coaches now on Google. Because Google will be the place where you will be starting your search.
Search, yes, sir.
Life experience coach. So there are many life coaches all over there, but that doesn't mean that you cannot become a life coach. Mr. Nitin Kher in our team, he's also a life coach,
Yes, sir. He's a certified life coach.
certified life coach. But if you are able to help people genuinely, then you don't need a certification also. If you're able to help solve their problems and issues, then you do not need any certification.
Yes, sir. So, but if you have a certification, that people will, believe you more, I think.
That can add to your qualifications,
Qualifications.
but qualification is something different and experience is something different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead and go down in life experience coach. First of all, go to life experience. Okay, you need to search for all the life experiences list when you are searching for becoming a coach in life experience. Okay. Falling in love, skydiving, owning a pet, flying on a plane, visiting the Giza pyramids, going to a concert, learning a second language, building a snowman. These are basically some experiences which people are sharing out of their life. Okay. But you are basically focusing on career and entrepreneurship. So we will write over here life and career experiences. Okay. So it is going into life or work experience degrees, life experience, career experience definition or something, these type of things. Now you need to go ahead and start searching for, see, life experience is a very broad niche.
Yes, sir.
So you will need to
Narrow
go
it
down
down.
in that.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you want to give someone a life experience as an or career experience as an online writer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you're sure about your that you will be able to give them a lot of experience about online writing, then you can create your designation like this: digital writing experience coach, okay, or online writing experience coach.
Mm-hmm.
And we can change it to many ways, like make it trendy, and that can be done afterwards. But I'm just
Afterwards, yes,
giving you
sir.
an example right now. Now give me more like options in the life experience part. Let us go to life experience. Okay.
So maybe you can try searching at types of life experience coach and see whether it
Types
will
of
show
life
some results.
experience coaches.
Coaches, yes, sir. Health and wellness
Okay, it's coming
coaching,
over here. Career coaching,
career coaching.
finance coaching, mental health coaching, in health and wellness coaching, and spiritual coaching. Now you want to and relationship and family coaching. So what area do you want to cover? And you can also like create articles on this niche only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So I think I will choose career coaching. I think.
career coaching.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are going into career coaching, then what type of career coaching? There are many career coaching. Okay, so we will type over here again types of career coaching. Executive and business coaching, life coaching. Again, life coaching is coming over here, and career coaching. Okay, so there are 3 types. Now, now you need to find what people want from a career coach first of all. Okay.
Their demands actually.
Yeah. Demands of people from a career coach. Or you can simply open Answer the Public and start doing your research. Career coaching requirements I have searched over here. We need to search only 2 words, 1 to 2 words. So it was not taking requirements. So we are just searching career coaching now.
Yes, sir.
It's coming over here, how to start career coaching business. Why career coaching is important. Which career coaching? Okay. So our area is basically over here. Which career coaching? Or we can say we can also search this one. What does a career coach do? Career coaches use a solution-oriented approach to assist and inform any person who is in need of career advice. In other words, they help people define, redefine, and achieve their professional objectives and other work-related goals. So, you will be helping people defining and redefining their professional objectives, and then you will help people in reaching their, first of all, forming their goals and then reaching them. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So it's a very like personable type of approach that needs to be implemented over here. Okay, now here are the problems, the problem areas. You need to first of all find out the problem areas of people, and then you can form your own designation as a career coach, and it should be in the low competition area. First, people who are not happy at work.
Yes, sir.
There are many people who are not happy at work. Okay?
Not happy.
So we will go ahead and find people who are not happy at work. You can find like this and write over the synonyms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you not got any synonym, we will find the word. We'll try to make it. We need to find a unique niche for you, na? That's the reason.
Yes, sir. It
and
will
it
take some
takes
time.
time.
Yes, sir.
Perhaps the most obvious sign that you may need a career coach is because you are not happy. Okay, job
Dissatisfaction.
dissatisfaction, and like people are not happy after doing some menial work also, and a career coach can help you figure out why you aren't enjoying your work and help you successfully transition to a role more aligned with your passion, skills, and values. Okay, so there are people who are basically passionate about creativity, and they are working in a monotonous job. This is the reason that they
Mm-hmm.
might not be happy. So you need to move them from their careers, and
Unhappy jobs too. Mm-hmm.
if you are able to help them and add some like values over there and change their mindset, then you can help them grow in their present career. Otherwise you can move them into some other field,
Yes, sir.
but they actually, because you need to align them with their passion. Okay, now you know you're not doing a job you love, but it's a paycheck. So again, it's not being about happy. The person is not happy, and
It's only because he's getting the salary. That's why he or she is doing the job.
so the second point, we need to note down all these points over here. What we say, problems, no, yeah, pain areas. We will find the pain areas now. Now the first thing is not happy about your
Job,
job or profession.
profession.
Okay, the second point is not happy with your paycheck. Then third point is you need help getting a raise.
No
Okay.
promotion.
Not getting promotion or raise in salary. Again the same point
Same.
over here, not happy with your paycheck or not getting a hike in salary. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the fourth point is you're not getting promoted, or okay, again the same thing, you forgot about your true career goals. A person has, or a person does not remember his/her true career goals. Okay, then fifth point is you are,
Don't know what to
the
do.
person is nervous about his/her future. Or career. A future can be defined like this only. You don't know what to do with your life. Okay, now this is life coach. Not sure what to do with their life. Now when a person is having too many interests, then what we will say is that people who are confused because they have varied interests. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you feel like you don't have enough interests. Now some people are there, people who do not find interest in any
Anything.
activity. Okay, now there are people who think they are stuck at their present job. Then there are people who want guidance for passing interviews or clearing interviews.
Clearing interviews.
Now there are people who want advice, but from someone outside their inner circle. Means from a
Career coach.
From a career coach who will not judge them based on their past or present life, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
people see when we are talking, see, suppose you're talking with me and I don't know anything about Nikhil Sharma, then it is like really easy to connect, because some people think that if I am connecting with my relatives, colleagues or friends, then they know many things about me and they will
Exactly.
create judgments and assumptions, and this happens actually. So this is the reason people know that it is good to talk with someone who is actually having a means completely pure mindset regarding them, or pure approach regarding them, instead of talking with your own friends or something and the person is not feeling comfortable talking with them. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is also coming in your demand of people who will be contacting you once you are starting to create your mission statement based on the niche. You need help navigating a new job. Okay, again the same thing, cracking interviews or clearing interviews or something.
Mm-hmm.
You need someone to hold you accountable. So people want accountability
Of their actions.
partners or coaches on whom they can trust. Okay, now these are the points which are coming after this search till now. So you can also click on over here, what does career coaching cost, and you can see that how much money you can make by becoming a career counselor or career coach. $100 to $150 per session.
$150 per session.
Okay, and hiring a career coach is likely spending between $100 and $150 per session. The price of career coaching can vary greatly by region. So if you're talking about India, then if it is like $100 for per session, a 2-hour session in US, then in India you can charge anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Per session,
Per
and people are
session.
charging more than that also.
As per the experience. Yes, sir.
When they are guiding people who are in the lot of voices coming from behind. Okay, so now we have got 12 points, and with these 12 points we will try to go down in one point. First of all, see, the trick is that now there is a trick over here. What is the trick? That you need to fix to one area and promote yourself as an expert in that area only, and when you will be contacted by people, they will be having all these type of problems and you will be solving them for them, but you don't have to mention in the beginning when you are creating a mission statement. Now listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Not getting promotions, not happy with the paycheck, choose one of them. Nikhil, any one of them, choose it.
Okay, sir.
What do you
So
want to
I
become a
think,
specialized person into? You will be doing all the work which is mentioned.
Yes, sir.
But you need to
Choose
first
one
of all
first.
create a niche, a designation.
So I think I will choose the 10th point. People who want guidance for clearing interviews.
Okay. So your niche will be digital interview. What we say? You need to actually mute your mic. Okay, I've done it for you, Mohana. Okay. So now we will type over here. You want to become a digital interview. You want to help people clearing their interviews. So interview.
Yes, sir. Right,
66 lakh results for interview cracker. Okay. I'm just giving you an example. You can change it afterwards also.
Sure, sir.
And there is no reason in like some people will be feeling like laughing on this, but people laugh in the beginning, and once everything has been done, after that they salute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Digital interview. If we can get some good word instead of cracker, that would be really great. Someone is giving me some idea over here in the chat.
Digital interview
guide or mentor. Okay. But I want to make it unique. Guide or mentor is a very simple terminology. Only 20 lakh results are coming. So this is the reason why I'm saying digital interview cracker will be really, really great niche for Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Online digital career counselor. It's a very common one, Risha. Very common. See if I'm typing it over here. Digital career counselor. So see the search results. A lot of people are using this one already. So if I will give it to Nikhil, Nikhil will not stand out from the crowd. Okay. You need to have a different approach for this. In the same way, when I had created my niche at that time, if I would have given me like this digital writing coach, then it would be really easy. But see the researches over here. How many searches are there? But when I created digital writer winners, then it came out to be a completely different, and many people got attracted with this term. Digital writer winner. Okay. Completely unique. So in the same way, we can also create a new word for Nikhil. Online interview mentor, let's check it out. One is online interview cracker. Again, there are many searches for this. Mentor cruise. When the term, see these keywords matter a lot. When the term mentor is coming over here and it is combining with interview and online, then there are a lot of searches and it will be going in the not so
common.
It will be very common. Even yes, see, what we can suggest is that online or digital interview cracker is a really great thing for Nikhil. Now what he can do is he can basically change it to something else by doing a research. See, there will be 3 parts of this designation. Number 1 is digital. You can use digital, online, or internet. Okay, like this. Then your industry, where you're focusing, like interview or What other things were there? Interview and career. And guidance. And then
Sir, coaching? No.
promotion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then the last word is going into
Designation.
career. Oh, sorry, coach, mentor, cracker. Okay, these type of things. Coach, mentor, cracker, or entrepreneur, like this. Got some comments
Hello.
over here.
Hello. Could it be specialist, sir?
Yeah, specialist can also be used, but it is also very common. Facilitator, digital career facilitator, Digi mentor. Okay, we're getting
Okay.
many like unique things now. Digi mentor. Let us see. Digi mentor. Please turn on your voice once you are like opening up it up now. Like there's a lot of noise from the background. Poonamji, please mute yourself. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we have got in the pane areas, if we are searching, we've got digital, online, internet, then interview, career guidance, promotions, then coach, mentor, cracker, entrepreneur. And now Natasha is saying that we can write it like this: interview, interview clearing expert. Okay. Or
Yes, sir.
the way Poonamji said, interview clearing specialist. Okay. There are also a lot of searches on in this place. So again, the thing is, which is going down to the same thing: interview
So maybe you
clearing,
can search a synonyms for specialist word.
interview clearing, mento. What Natasha said, mentopreneur.
Yes, sir.
No,
Mentopreneur.
mento. Natasha, what you said? Let me check in the chat.
So the
Digi
Digi
mentopreneur.
Mentopreneur. Yes, sir.
She's writing Digi mentor. Interview clearing Digi mentor. Again, this is like very complicated one. I think that one is like really good. What do you say, Nikhil?
Yes, sir. So I think it
Yeah,
makes
this is
sense.
also a good one. Interview clearing Digi mentor. But you need to change it to something else, not clearing. Interview.
So I think she wrote a Digipreneurship, something like that. The
No, she wrote Digi mentor.
Mentorship.
Interview
Okay.
interview cracking. Interview cracking mentor. Yeah, this is also nice, Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Interview cracking mentor. So I'm highlighting the best ones for you.
Sure, sir.
Interview cracking mentor, then interview, or what was the first one? Digital
Interview cracker.
interview cracker. Okay. Now let us see whether we can form some other thing also. Career goals. We can write career goals researcher. Career goals research specialist, scientist. It's already there. Specialist. Again, there is a lot of competition.
Yes, sir.
Industry
Poonam
researcher,
ma'am.
industry interview specialist. Okay, we are going out of the sync right now. We should focus on
Yes,
this
sir.
area only. I was going into these things. You
Sir,
told
actually-
me that you love interviewing entrepreneurs also.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
actually, Poonam ma'am is suggesting Digi Coach. So we can we use this term anywhere?
Where? Which one?
Digi Coach. Poonam ma'am is suggesting, sir.
Okay.
Can we use?
Interview cracking mentor is a really good one, I will say. And digital
Yes, sir.
interview cracker is also good. And Digi, what do you say?
Digi
Digi
Coach.
goal.
Digi Coach, sir.
Digi
Digi
coach.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So we can add some terms before or after this term.
Interview hacking Digi coach. Okay, this is also a nice one. But it is basically coming into the growth hacking is also coming.
Yes, sir. I think growth hacking specialist is a designation, I think.
Interview cracking Digi coach. Okay, this is also a nice one. Very nice. Thank you so much. And you were saying growth hacking specialist.
Yes, sir. So, but I think it will be a common. I think a lot of people are going for this.
42,90,000 growth hackers. Still, it is a very new word. Growth hacking
sir.
is slowly becoming very popular.
Popular, yes, sir.
But right now also it is a like really new word. So your niche should be focused on basically three of these: interview cracking mentor, digital interview cracker, or interview cracking Digi coach. So what I am doing
Yes,
is
sir.
that I am giving you all this, your niche clarity sessions, guidelines in the
Sure,
mail.
sir.
And tell me your mail ID.
Yes, sir. It's SACHNIKH.
Just a minute.
Sure, sure.
Give me a minute.
Mhm.
It's taking so much time. Okay, I will send you the mail afterwards also. No worries.
Sure, sure. No issues. No
I'm just
issues.
sharing this document for you. So now you have got your really incredible niche. Upload this
Yes, sir.
niche. Find select one of them, 1, 2, or 3, any one of them, and create a
Mission,
add these
vision,
to
and-
all your profiles. Okay.
Sure, sir.
All
Okay.
your profiles on social media, LinkedIn and Facebook, Twitter, everywhere you need to change your profile and you need to mention this over there as your future designation.
Sure,
And
sir.
it is not your future now, it is your designation now from now onwards. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Because
sure, sir. Okay.
you need
Thank
to
you
be
so much, sir.
focused and you need to bring the audience and you know how to build your brand.
Yes, sir.
First create your mission,
I'm still learning.
vision and purpose statement, and then you can create your brand like this. Okay. So now
Sure, sir.
let me go to and ask other guys over here. Okay, Rema ma'am has joined today after so many days. Yes, Rema ma'am, do you want to say something?
No. I'm just listening. I to what is.
Actually, right now there was a niche clarity session. Niche is subject.
Yes.
Subject and designation clarity session, which was given to Nikhil. And
Okay.
Nikhil will be formulating this plan and will be sharing, spreading his niche and to all his social media profiles,
Right.
so that he becomes a coach, and he'll be targeting his targeted customers or audience will be, or readers of the articles also will be basically people who are having this pain, who are in the pain area of who are not getting connected with their jobs, who want to leave their job, who want to get promotions in their job, or who want to crack interviews, and who are not happy with their boss, or who are struggling with their career. All these people will be contacting him based on his mission statement. Now, you all got to know that why I always tell you to create your mission and vision statements and post them on the social media, because now what will be Nikhil's mission statement? I will again share the screen over here and I'll be writing that down. He will write like this. Suppose he is choosing interview cracking mentor. I am a 30-year-old interview cracking mentor and on a mission to connect with 5 lakh employees in India. You need to be very specific, or you can change this word to something else also. Employees, instead of employees, you can write over here need to actually, aspirants, yeah, aspirants. I'm a 30-year-old interview cracking mentor and on a mission to connect with 5 lakh aspirants in India and help them clear their interviews I will help them. Okay, I will utilize my skills and or you can say I will utilize my articles, YouTube videos, Facebook and YouTube lives to connect and guide them. My main motto is to create a large community of interview aspirants and employees who want help in career counseling, job promotions, interview cracking you already mentioned. Now you need to pitch this thing also in your mission statement.
Yes, sir.
What are the things? What are the things are there? Sorry. Yeah. So we have mentioned job promotions, career counseling, and you can mention over here growth hacking if you want. Is this the right term over here, or this is only meant for entrepreneurs?
So I think it's meant for entrepreneurs, I think.
Okay, so we will change it to something else. You just focus on employees only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm a 30-year-old interview cracking mentor and on a mission to connect with 5 lakh aspirants in India and help them clear the interviews. I will utilize my articles, YouTube videos, Facebook and YouTube lives. You can write utilize my articles, my online articles, YouTube videos, Facebook and YouTube lives, and my video courses to connect and guide them. My main motto is to create a large community of interview aspirants and employees who want help in career counseling, job promotions, and someone is writing something in the comment box. Digi coach. Natasha is saying Digi mentorpreneur, interview cracking mentorpreneur. Group discussions can be added with interview. Okay. Yeah, my main motto is to create a large community of interview aspirants and employees who want to get help in career counseling, job promotions.
And career related goal setting.
Yes. And career related goal setting and mindset creation. Okay, so this is enough.
Yes, sir.
And now you can attach your vision and purpose. This is your mission. This will be added to your About Us page on your website also, Nikhil.
Okay, sir.
About Us page. Okay, on your website.
Sure, sir.
And on the HubPages profile also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And on your WhatsApp profile. On the WhatsApp profile, there is a very small space.
Short.
You will be mentioning over there your name, Nikhil Sharma, comma, like this. On WhatsApp profile, Nikhil Sharma, comma, and then interview cracking expert. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like this. And then you can add the same things on LinkedIn also. Okay, HubPages profile, WhatsApp, then LinkedIn profile, then Twitter, then Facebook profile. You will create a WhatsApp group today. Okay. WhatsApp group, and then a Facebook group in the coming week, and LinkedIn group also. Okay, so these are the things which you need to do.
Sure, sir.
You are clarifying all your niches and something. Now you've got something in your hand, and you can go ahead and start working on this. Now this is your
Sure,
new
sir, I will
life,
definitely do it, sir. Sure,
new
sir.
career, new life, which you are creating for yourself. Creating is the most important thing. People who create, they don't have to think about any money or anything, because and creators are the people who are paid best. You have seen something you are creating. If something is already lying over there and you are teaching those people, then it will not be given so much value. But if you're creating new things out of new trendy, in a very trendy way, in a very different way, and targeting your audience completely, then when you will upload this mission statement on your profiles, then that will serve also as your social commitment, and you will not be able to go back. And this commitment will help you bring success in your entrepreneur journey.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
So let's talk with Natasha today. First of all, Natasha, then Risha. Natasha, please tell how you are feeling after going to and creating your 20 articles in our revenue sharing portal.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. You can turn on your video also.
Yeah. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, so I'm feeling really good today. I mean, that I cleared 20 articles. This is just another milestone. I want to create 30 articles. So that is my next mission. Today's session was really great about niche clarity. I remember during October when you had given this session for me to clear niche clarity and to have niche clarity, and that's how I had created all the purpose statements, the mission statements. So I could have that entire what do you call entire memory in front of me. So I really liked today's session.
So after creating your mission statement and your like all these things, after getting the niche clarity in October, what is the result now? But like people are connecting with you, you're forming like many
Yes,
communities.
exactly. People are connecting with me when, in fact, especially when I started writing about physiotherapy articles as suggested by you, that you can start your own mental health and connecting mental health as well as physiotherapy together and writing the article. So I started writing those articles, and I'm really finding that very much beneficial towards. I'm feeling that I'm achieving my goal. And another thing, the way people, what you told about that people started connecting with me through WhatsApp groups, they liked my content, and I am also experimenting honestly. Like when I started writing about physiotherapists, then I didn't get many views. But when I started writing about actual problems, like recently I wrote an article about Tex-Neck syndrome, then for Parkinson's patient, mental health articles, which are helping the normal people. That's how people actually connect with you.
Awesome. So that's really great, and you are achieving on a daily basis because you are basically focused in your approach and you have
Thank
got
you so
something in your
much.
hand.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so that's really great. Let me ask Risha how she's feeling. She just joined us around 15-20 days back. Sorry, yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
everyone.
A bit louder, please. Now a bit louder. You're more confident today.
Yes, I'm feeling very confident.
Okay.
First milestone has been cleared, and yes, I have to clear many more milestones. And I have, like you have suggested, writing about ADHD through journaling, and I'm actually enjoying the researching part so much now. And I think it's going very good till now. And yes, I know you are, and all the community members are here to help me if I get stuck by at any part.
You will be definitely getting help at each and every point whenever you're getting stuck with anything, and don't worry at all about these things. Okay. And it is really nice that you have published your first article and it got featured, and this is an achievement in itself. So let me move to Arnaba was really confused yesterday. Now did she get some clarity about creating her niche on life and relationships, I think?
Maybe yes. I have to research on it a lot now. But yes, I will redirect my focus in that area so that I'll come up with my own answers.
Bring whatever you have done, whatever research you have done. I will write it on MS Word in front of you all, and I will give you your niche clarity if you want tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever you want. Okay?
I haven't actually completed my 10 articles, so I'm waiting for that. So,
okay, you already completed your 10 articles, then you can like get your niche clarity. Right now it's 128. Okay. So do you want right now?
I haven't completed 10 articles, sir.
Okay, you haven't completed. Okay.
Yes.
Then you can get them after, like, get the niche clarity after 10 articles. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you. And let me ask Rema ma'am. So Rema ji, I need to check your article that you have sent to me.
Yes, I'm writing mostly on health and wellness and
Okay,
good.
let us check your article right now.
Oh my God.
See, there should be no shame in sharing your article, because all people are just like a family over here. Okay, no one is judging you, no one is making any assumptions. All are positive minded, and people are helpful and cooperative. You are not coming to Telegram group. If you will come to Telegram group, then Yeah, you're not coming
Now I
frequently.
will
No?
be. I'm there. I will be active now.
Okay, really great.
Yes.
So I'm just sharing my screen and taking. Okay, first of all, I need to sign off from here. So let us, what we need to write over here, Rema ma'am name na. Okay, this is her article. Downloading and saving the article to my desktop. Track changes are on now. Immunity and vitamin C. Okay. So you are using subheadings,
Yes.
but there is no introduction first of all. Okay, this is the introduction. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So first we will make this the main title.
Okay.
Okay, this is the main title. Immunity and vitamin C. We will change it to a long tail. We will add some long tail keyword in the title also. Then we will write a summary over here first of all, which will be used by the search engines.
Okay.
This vitamin is most probably used by people all over the world. Way back in 1742, lemon juice was used to prevent scurvy. Okay. So we'll take this part as a summary.
Okay.
Vitamin C is most popularly used by people all over the world and contains free radicals that can help prevent cancers, many cancers. Okay.
And infections.
In this hub or article, I will, okay, sorry, in this hub, many benefits of this vitamin have been shared. You can write something like this, okay,
Right.
and make it a summary. And this summary will not be displayed on your article.
Okay.
And Nikhil, you should guide Rema ma'am today. Nikhil Sharma, are you
Yes,
there?
sir, surely. Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
Please guide Rema
Surely, sir,
ma'am
I'm
and tell her how to write, add the article to hub pages. Okay.
Sure, sir. Definitely, I will help her.
Yeah. Thank you. So you will change it to benefits, or you can change it to immunity benefits of vitamin C. Okay. So this is your main title now. Now this will be called the introduction. Many types of cancers, Naveen is saying. So we will change into many types of cancers. Okay. Now introduction. Way back in 1742, lemon juice was used to prevent scurvy among sailors who had to travel long distance. Okay. Lemon juice was used to prevent scurvy among sailors who had to travel long distance. It was in 1928 that this magic component that improved health by fighting against diseases was identified as vitamin C. Its scientific name is ascorbic acid. Okay, when we are talking about ascorbic acid, so ascorbic acid basically is a scientific name or a you can say generic name. So A should not be caps. Okay, Rima ma'am?
Okay.
Because A will be or the initial letter will only be caps when it is a brand name. So if I'm writing this in Google search like this and I'm adding over there ascorbic acid brand name.
Okay. Brand.
So the brand name is coming as Secon. So if Secon is coming, then you will write initial C caps. But when any generic thing is coming,
It will be small, not
it will be
caps.
small case. Okay, because it is not a proper noun. Okay, its scientific name is ascorbic acid. This wonder vitamin helps to protect our cells by fighting damage caused by free radicals. It should not be all caps over here. You can make it initial caps as a subheading. Okay, and these styles will be given to you.
Okay.
Those are all available inside. Okay. Vitamin C strengthens the capillaries and cell walls and plays a dominant role in the formation of collagen. It prevents bruising, quickens healing, and helps to keep ligaments, tendons, and gums strong and healthy. The production of hemoglobin in red blood cells is aided by this vitamin, which helps the body to absorb iron from the food we eat. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which protects us against heart disease and even cancer. If we have food rich in vitamin C, it protects us against cataracts. Good. Rima ma'am is an English teacher and she is really good in writing. As you can see, it is very hard to find any mistakes in her first few paragraphs, and it will be really difficult for me to find any mistakes. All citrus fruits are rich in this vitamin. In the time of corona pandemic, again, corona is not a basically the name of if you're writing COVID-19, then C will be capitalized.
Okay.
And if corona, it will be
Right.
completely coronavirus pandemic. Okay, because when you are writing online, you are like writing basically professionally over here. So it should be coming in a traditional way. In the time of corona pandemic, we have been hearing a lot about making the immune system strong. Amla or gooseberry, again gooseberry lowercase.
Okay.
In English, Nellikai in Malayalam, again lowercase, is a rich source of vitamin C. Just one amla a day will fight all the toxins that try to invade a healthy body. Our ancient Ayurveda will be A caps, good, has always advocated the intake of Chyawanprash. Now Chyawanprash is not a brand. If it is coming Dabur Chyawanprash, if it is coming Dabur Chyawanprash, then it will be a brand. Okay, but it is not a brand, I know, so it will be lowercase again. Our ancient Ayurveda has always advocated the intake of Chyawanprash made from this wonder fruit along with jaggery. Jaggery spelling is fine. Why it is coming in red light, red underline over here?
Jiggery, they have written. It's
No, it's
jaggery.
not jaggery. Your term is right. Jaggery is the right word. Jaggery is the right word. You're talking about good, na? Good.
Yeah, good.
And other condiments. The seed of this fruit can be removed and its flesh can be sliced and blended in a mixer with a cup of water. Add salt or sugar to taste and have this fortifying drink. This makes the body strong enough to face the strongest of enemies lurking around. Another fruit that grows in your garden and is available throughout the year is the faithful lime. That this is also a storehouse of vitamin C. Studies have proved that vitamin C helps to recover wounds fast and fight free radical damage. Vitamin C is essential to build red blood cells that carry oxygen around the body. Squeeze a lime over your salad and it tastes divine. You're writing really good, Rima ma'am, I would say.
Thank you.
I'm unable to find any grammatical errors.
But I
Subject
don't
verb-
know the specifications. I don't know.
Okay. When and how to eat fruit. Okay. Fruit is best eaten half an hour before a meal, preferably before breakfast and lunch. The idea of a fruit juice is not as good as biting into the fruit. Goodness of the fruit is lost in trying to squeeze the juice out. People go in for exotic fruits and spend a lot of money on these in the hope that they are being very wise and kind to their body. The secret is to have seasonal fruits as they contain the vitamins and minerals required by the body at that time of the year. The same goes for vegetables. Tea or coffee should be had in moderation with jaggery. Tea or coffee should be. Do you think this is fine as it is?
Consume.
You can change it to consume. You know,
Okay.
tea or coffee should be taken in moderation with jaggery. Once a week, go ahead and treat yourself to a sweet dish. Someone was writing something in the comment. Taken, Risha. Risha was also saying taken. Nice.
Okay.
So physical fitness. Along with food, exercise is. Along with food, introductory comma, exercise is essential. Half an hour of yoga. Yoga lowercase. Y lowercase, sorry. Or a fitness regime reduces stress and keeps inflammation at bay. 7 to 8 hours will not start like this. You can write in
Words.
words, yeah. Because
Okay.
it's coming in the beginning of a sentence.
Right.
7 to 8 hours of sleep is a must to keep the body fit to fight the onslaught of any type of infection. It is said that cleanliness is next to godliness. Practice it. So you should practice it. In summers, you can bathe twice or thrice and change your clothes accordingly. Keep your surroundings clean and ensure that plastic is disposed of. I think over here disposed of will come.
Yes, disposed of.
So it should be OFF.
No, single F.
Okay, single F.
Yes.
Let me check because I'm
Yes.
not sure about this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, you're completely true. You're right. Ensure that plastic is disposed of separately. These days, the government has arranged for plastic to be collected from homes. Let us think of Mother Earth. We are just caretakers of this earth, and it is our duty to preserve this earth for the future generations. We can add as over here. Let us think of Mother Earth as we are just caretakers of this earth, and it is our duty to preserve this earth for the future generations. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, emotional fitness. Now we need to change the title because you're mentioning about emotional fitness, physical
Yeah.
fitness also, no? Over here.
Immunity. Actually, it is immunity.
Okay. Last but not least, it is of prime importance that we take one day at a time. Then we take one day at a time and remain calm and pleasant. Stressing ourselves will not help us in any way and will negate the effect of good nutrition. Spend quality time with your family by sharing the tidings of the day. This brings in joy and strengthens the bonding. Involve yourself in helping people who are less fortunate, and believe me, it brings a lot of joy. Go for an outing, visit places, and engage yourself in a hobby like playing musical instruments, singing, dancing, etc. All these de-stress you and keep you happy. A happy person brightens the house or workplace. Workplace is one word, no, I think.
Yes, it's one word actually.
Yeah, it is one word. And spreads positivity. Be positive and strong. First of all, let us clap for Rima ma'am for writing such a really awesome grammatically correct article. Ma'am, I'm telling you, your article will not only get published, it will get featured in first instance, first place. Okay.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You will reach your goals very quickly as compared to if you will say others right now, and you were sitting and idling because of the technical, you didn't know about the technical aspects of going online. I know this is the reason, but you can actually guide us. You are a teacher.
I can. I'm always there to help you, but I don't know the technicalities.
So another teacher has been is added to our community after Ms. Poonam Malik, Ms. Rima Vijayan, and if you guys want any type of help regarding grammar clarity or any other thing, you can go to Rima ma'am.
Yes, okay? Always, I'm always there.
Because ma'am, my focus is to bring 2 lakh people writers over here, so you all will be getting lot of students. Okay.
No problems.
Yeah.
So from today I'll check the same.
Definitely. So we have got really amazing article, ma'am. It is so easy to read and understand. Nikhil is sharing. And you can speak out. If you want to speak out something to Rima ma'am, to bring her closer to our group. And because she is not coming frequently over there, I want her to be coming frequently in the Telegram group. So please talk with her. You can appreciate her by speaking out. Okay?
Definitely, they can ask me anything. I'll help them out.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So I'm just stopping the screen share now.
By far, this is the most fluent article we have read.
Little loud.
Naveen, I am not able to hear you.
So by far, this is the only article that you have edited and had very least mistakes, and it was fun to read it and fluent. I understand now that why you always say that we should write in this way.
Yes. I didn't find any verb agreement issues, no grammar mistakes, no language issues or something. Very minor things were there, and this is really good. Ma'am, you need to change the article's title, and you need to change it like this. Suppose you are mentioning over fitness and many other things. With that also regarding yoga, exercise regime, and other things.
So I
can write over there.
Immunity in the time.
It will be not revolving around vitamin C now. Okay, I will just share the screen again. I will give you the title. I will create the title. Okay. So we are talking over here about vitamin C in the beginning, and then we are talking about physical fitness and emotional fitness. Okay.
Yes.
So we will add over here main title. Health benefits of vitamin C and physical fitness. Fine. This is one way. Another way people can give your comments. Boosting immunity through vitamin C. How to boost immunity with vitamin C. Risha, but this will not solve all the things now, because she is also mentioning fitness over there.
And yoga.
Yeah. So Risha is saying this one. I will share Risha's version.
I think Risha spoke about, okay.
Boosting immunity with vitamin C.
And physical fitness.
Okay, you can do this thing also, boosting immunity with vitamin C.
And physical fitness.
And physical fitness. Okay, like this. Another option is coming. vitamin C for well-being.
But then
No, then the purpose will not solve, Naveen.
this is
This is good, na? This one.
boosting immunity with vitamin C and physical fitness.
Very good. This one is very good. Awesome. So I will just send it to you after the session is over, to all the people, to Nikhil also and to you also. So in today's session, we have done two things, double benefit in this session. First half went into like a niche clarity for Nikhil Sharma, and other people also got some idea. And also checking the article of Ms. Rima Vijayan, and she is basically a school teacher, and now she wants to focus on her own like work from home opportunities, and that's why she has joined us, and she can teach really good English to any person. If you want to contact Rima ji,
Always welcome.
or you want to contact Poonam ji, so both are open for you. Both are like just like mothers in our family. Okay, so we have got a very good extended family over here. Please approach them, talk with them, get benefited. Okay.
My pleasure.
Yeah. So let me ask Mr. Gopal Anand how he felt after the niche clarity and after reading this article. Gopal ji, are you there?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
there.
sir.
Very clear both the points. Article also very good. And niche clarity process also clear.
So niche clarity process, see, niche should not be like given like this in a like session to all the people. It cannot be given anytime. Niche should be only given in one-to-one session. Right?
Okay.
And I also give you that Sukshma Vyayama coach niche by this way, na?
Yes.
The session.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's
within
go
a very
to
short span.
Yeah.
You give very quickly.
Yeah, and it is still, if you will check it online, there's no competition as of such right now.
Okay. Yes.
In Sukshma Vyayama coach. Okay.
Yes.
So let me go to and ask Mohana how she felt today.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Niche clarity was good, and I think I have to work on that for my niche. Okay, I'll do that.
Okay.
I'll do that homework. And that second one, I have a doubt. See, writing an article on only one, we have to follow only one topic, or we can write on different topics differently.
No, for the first first of all, you need see, Mohana ji. First of all, you need to join our paid writers group. After that, you need to create your profile. I will give you the link to the courses. You will watch the model course first, and then you will like get your writing platform link, and then you will get connected with all the 105 writers and with me also. And then on that profile, you will start writing articles. In those articles, first 10 articles can be on any topic. You can take any topic and you can write. And then after the 10th article, I will be giving you one niche the way I have given to Nikhil, because Nikhil has completed his 10 articles today. Natasha has completed her 20 articles and she has got a prize today. And when you complete your first 5 articles which are featured, you get another cash prize, and you are promoted everywhere on Facebook with your name tagged over there. So that other clients outside can also see that this person is of value and this is a quality person. He is attached with some organization and he is doing some good job. That's why the person is rewarded. Then you are promoted on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on in my email campaign, everywhere. So what happens? What happens that due to this, many people start contacting you, and then they start giving you work from outside also. So inner when you are joining, after that, inner bonus, and all the passive income and the regular income. See, after 30 articles are completed, when you will complete to 30 articles, after that, suppose Rima ma'am has done her first article, and now she is completing her 29 articles, and then after 29 complete 30 featured articles, then she can start writing for rajendaswamy.com, which is our different website, and on that website the topics will be all depending on the whatever the person has learned from the courses or the sessions. Niche clarity for writers, how to write 30 articles in 60 days, how to go online and start writing, why joining digital entrepreneurs is good. Okay, like these. Okay. So this is a complete setup over here. It's a complete like learn and earn system, and this is not a course. There is no duration for this course. Rima ma'am joined us like 1 month back or 2 months back. Whenever she was joined, she will not be charged anything after this for the next 15 years. You may not get this type, and all these sessions are completely free. Your friends or you, whoever wants to join, they're open to join. And once you're paying the fees, after that, no fees is charged. All the courses, all the additional value, everything is free for life. Okay?
Very nice of you, sir.
And the earnings are also there. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice of you. Very nice of you. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So let me ask Akash. Akash, do you want to say something? Have you got some clarity about niche now? Hello, Akash. Are you there?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Bit louder.
Actually, sir, I was there at 12, but when I saw that the meeting will start at 12:30, then I forgot, sir. So I had joined as soon as you started the MEMS article. So I didn't get any clarity about niche, but the article the MEM wrote is wonderful. And yes, as one of our brothers said, that the very first article in which you had done less number of corrections. So a very congratulations to you, ma'am, for writing this wonderful article. And keep sharing. And thank you, sir. And as soon as I will saw the sir recording, please provide me recording of today's session. Then I will let me know my feedback, sir.
See, I will give you one more hint over here. Poonam ji never shared her article in the live session, and she published it online with the help of Prateek Jain, I think. And her article got featured. Okay, so when Rima ma'am will also publish, it will also get featured because there are no errors as of such, and it is not copied from somewhere. Okay, now Risha also published the article. He sent to me, but I was unable to edit it because of lack of time, or it was Saturday, Sunday or something. That's why. But her article has got featured, so I will not be editing it. Okay. So, and Arnaba also. So all the people who are having issues with their articles in publication in these things, you can contact all these guys and you can get help from them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's all about help, and you should be giving them some favor in return. Add comments to their articles,
Yes,
give them value in social media,
Yes, sir.
add their names, bring them to limelight.
Yes, sir.
If I am the person whose article is not getting published and Rima ma'am is helping me, then I will do something for her.
Yes, sir.
Anything. If I am not giving her money, I will help her in some other way. Okay. So this
Yes,
is the thing you should be doing. You should be giving you can say value to other people, because when you give value, then people get appreciated, and this appreciation will be actually their motivating factor to help you more.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So please understand these points, because it's all about give and take. When you will give something to someone, the person will definitely give it back to you. And help given in any way is never it's very valuable, and it's never small or something. It's always a positive thing to do. Okay, so let's ask Praveen. Where is Praveen? Okay, yeah, Praveen, please speak louder.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today's session was very, it was like insight clearing session, and I have learned many things about niche clarity, and it will benefit for me as well as for newcomers. And after that, I got a flawless article. I have learned many things from ma'am, and I'm wishing him good luck, her good luck for her article to get featured. Yes, sir.
So I am reading all the comments also, and in the comments, many people are adding their options about niches that if they have already done, then the article titles variations, and this is a really good community where people are helping with inputs also. And please go ahead and start writing, whoever has not started till now, and start publishing and promoting in the social media also, and create your mission statements and your update those on your profiles. And whatever you want to do, don't be confused. If Mr. Gopal Anand is confused between two things, that he wants to take up Kotak Mahindra also, and he wants to promote his insurance, and he wants to promote his Sushma Vyama coach also, then you will be always remain confused. Please choose one thing and do it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In the same way, if Nikhil is confused about between you can say writing on reviews on gadgets and mobile phones, and is confused between his niche clarity that I have already given to him, then he will not be able to reach anywhere. You only will be able to reach somewhere when you will fix on one track and you only follow this thing. You need to be just like a horse over there. A horse, when the horse is moving, then the horse has some covers over here, and he is not looking here and there. He is just moving ahead, and he is saying yes, yes, yes. So you need to say yes, yes to your goals and keep moving ahead. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is the reason horses are the ones that can reach top of the mountains without getting any fear, because first of all, they are not looking here and there to what people are saying, not looking at any judgments, not thinking about any assumptions or something, and just going ahead to reach their goal. This becomes really powerful because I have noticed this, and I've created a video also of this when I was in Mata Vaishno Devi, and I think June last year. And at that time, I saw that all the horses which were moving, all the people were having some issues. They were watching other people, they were moving here or there. But horses were moving in a straight direction and their heads were like this.
Yes, sir. Ponies, sir.
Ponies. Okay, so this is very true in life also. If you want to reach the mountain, you should never look back. If you will look back, then all your efforts will go in vain, because you will get a feeling that I will not be able to reach there. If you want to reach there, then you need to just look at that place. Don't look at the back. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So good luck and
That's
take
really
care
very nice.
and have a happy day. Please write your articles. Today we don't have any meeting at 6:30 p.m. in the evening or 7 p.m. and this was the only meeting for today. Tomorrow's meeting at 12 p.m. I'll be telling you in the Telegram group and WhatsApp group that what that meeting will be about. Okay? So thank you so much for coming. Take care. Blessings.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Take care.
Thank you so much.